Today I'm going to do something a little crazy to see if it works. Financial planning in retirement is much more complex than accumulating your dollars, okay? Much more, and I think you know that. Um, you've got taxes, Social Security, medical, inflation, rates of return, how much risk do you want to take? Now, all these decisions impact each other. And that's what makes it so much more complex. So one of the things that I did is created about 10 spreadsheets in Excel to plan for my retirement. And I found errors in those things. And I probably had 100 hours invested in creating those things and analyzing. That can all be replaced with Boldin Software. Okay, now before you tune out here and think of this as an infomercial, what's going to be crazy and different is I am asking those Boldin users, used to be called New Retirement, if you're using that software, I would like for you to leave a comment below with your experience. To be short, you can use the word game changer, which I hear a lot. But if you want to write a paragraph on what it's meant to you in confidence, if you didn't like the software, put that in there. If you didn't think it was good for you, or it's not good if you have a business you're selling. But I get inundated with comments every day talking about the power of Boldin, but they're very easy to see as a creator with the links that I have associated with YouTube, but you can't see those. So I'm trying to create this video with just testimonials. So please, if you're a user of Boldin, leave a testimonial in the comments below. If you're brand new, never heard of Boldin, take a look at these comments. I'm also going to link a couple videos to this where I demonstrate the Boldin software and what it's meant for me. I have purchased it for 5 years, okay? Purchased it for 5 years. It's a game changer for understanding the different market conditions, lower rates of return, higher rates of return, when to take Social Security, management of taxes. That's probably at least 75% of why I buy Boldin is management of taxes, which I had no clue of. No clue I needed to manage taxes. This is embarrassing. When I retired, because when I was working, taxes happen to you. When you're retired, you've got options to minimize it, and Boldin gives you insight, some intelligence to tell you what to do and when. So I love Boldin software, but listen to, or read rather, the comments in the notes here. And if you want to take a free 2-week trial of Boldin, hit my link, the very first link, 2 free weeks. I'm telling you, you'll love it, especially for the confidence it gives you to retire earlier than you thought was possible. It's Joe out.